Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, do me a favor to subscribe, share and like this video. We are on the topic how to create YouTube channel from scratch. I have done about 4 or 5 tutorials on this topic. I'll put all the links in the description box below, so please check them out. Today's video is about how to edit YouTube content category. Let me log into my YouTube channel to show you. To edit YouTube content category, go to Customize Channel and this will open another page for you. YouTube has made some changes on their platform. Before, if you go to Customize Channel, it will take you to Video Manager. Before you get to this place, Channel Customization. But to me, I think this is very simple. On channel customization, move down to the left side, you see the settings. You go to the settings. Go to upload defaults and then go to advanced settings. And check on the right side here, you see this box, category. So at the moment, there is no category. The channel is not on any category. So check here. Content categories organize channels and videos on YouTube and help creators, advertisers, and channel managers identify with content and audiences they help to wish to associate with. You can read more information about categories. If you click on here, you can get lots of information. So if you edit your category, it will help you as a creator and it will help the advertisers who advertise on your channel. So to edit your YouTube content category will help advertisers to identify your content and also to get the right audiences to advertise their products to them. To edit the content category, click on this drop down arrow. And there are lots of categories here. So check the one that suits your channel. If you're doing music, you choose this. If you're doing videos about pets and animals, you choose this. If you are doing videos about sports, choose this. Travel and events, gaming, comedy, entertainment. You can scroll down. There are more there. So on this channel, I can choose travel and events. Or since it's World Food Explorer, I will choose travel and events. This category of travel and events will help companies like Airbnb and hotels to advertise on my content. That is how it works. So never leave it like this, none. So always choose the category best suited for your channel. I hope you understand how the category works. But you can read more information over here, as I told you, to get more details about this category option. Now everything is done. You go down here and you click on save. Now settings saved. That is the end of today's tutorial, how to edit YouTube content category. Thank you for your time. And please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe, share and like this video. May the Lord bless you and have a wonderful day. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.